Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today my review is about this glucometer. The brand it comes with the pen and a strips bottle, and I think I'm not sure about the bottle, and it's by EcoCheck. The brand is EcoCheck of this glucometer. It has a charging pin as well, so it's very easy to use and handy. I took it everywhere along me. I used it and the result was so good. So its readings are very accurate, so I like the EcoCheck, and it's very easy because it has a strap, and I will enter this strap through towards this arrow in the strap hole in the glucometer. Then I'll prick my finger, and I'll just enter the drop of the water over the place where I have to drop that drop. So I'm just gonna insert it in the, and there is a code, and now there is an indicator which is showing that I should enter the blood over the strip where the red blinker is there. So there is a pen as well in this pouch, and that has prickers inside as well, and we can use this pen in an easy way because it has a button on the back and on the front. So first I press from that button, and then I will prick my finger. You can use yourself because it's very easy to use and pain free. So I used it, and I didn't feel pale while I was checking my sugar, and the readings were very accurate. So you guys should have this glucometer. It's very good and authentic reading glucometer. EcoCheck brand is very good. I've used it and I'll recommend it without any promotions, and it's not paid. I'm just telling you for your info. Look, it's very easy. I'm just putting my drop on this, and there will be the result. I just have finished my dinner, and so I hope my sugar will be higher because I just have had my dinner. And look, it's easy to use. I just entered my drop over it. Now there will be the reading as well, whatever it is in it. And it's very handy, useful, and it's good in the results. You guys can must have thing. It's EcoCheck is a good glucometer for checking your blood sugar level.